In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI avatar using HeyGen and pair it with a custom voice from ElevenLabs, step by step. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've seen AI avatar videos online and wondered how people are making them without filming themselves, this video is going to make that very clear for you. AI video can feel pretty intimidating at first because it sounds technical, but honestly, the process is pretty simple once you see how the tools work together. The hardest part is usually knowing where to start and how to connect everything. So in this video, we're going to go through writing a script, generating a realistic voice, and adding that voice to an AI avatar, and then exporting a finished video that you can actually use. So let's get into it. First off, let's start with the basics. HeyGen is an AI video tool that lets you create videos using realistic AI avatars. Instead of filming yourself, you choose an avatar and have it speak your script. ElevenLabs is an AI voice tool that creates natural sounding voice audio from text. You can use pre-made voices or custom voices, really just depends on what you want. But when you combine both of these tools, you can create a full video without recording your own face or your own voice. ElevenLabs creates the voice and HeyGen handles the visuals. This setup works really well for explainer videos, educational content, faceless channels, and internal business videos. This workflow is really powerful because each tool does one job well. The final result is going to feel much more natural. You also just get more control. You can regenerate the voice without changing the video or swap avatars without touching the audio. Okay, now let's get into the tutorial. If you don't already have HeyGen or ElevenLabs, we do have access to exclusive links down below, so you can go ahead and click on those and get signed up with the free versions and the free trial. Once you're in, the first step is to write a simple script. So you don't need any tools for this. You can keep it short and conversational, and AI voices sound best with the sentences that are natural and not overly complex. Once the script is ready, you can go ahead and copy that, and then we'll use it in ElevenLabs next. Okay, so here is ElevenLabs. This is what the home looks like. You can configure agents, knowledge base tools, integrations, voices, which is where we're going to be, conversations, tests, and then there's other deploy options. We're going to go ahead and go to voices. So from here, we can go ahead and choose a trending voice if we would like. We can look at sales, coaching, personal assistant. There's also conversation, professional, and informative. Okay, so they have so many here that you can choose from. So we can go ahead and add to your voice. Okay, so now what we're going to go ahead and do, one thing to note too is make sure you're in the creative platform, not the agent platform. The creative platform is where you can create content, and then the agent platform is build and manage your AI agent. So again, you just want to make sure that you're in the right place. Okay, so now we've got all of our voices over here that we can choose from. This is the one that I literally just added a second ago. So now we're going to paste the script in right here. We are just going to do something very simple. 3 steps to reach your dream body. Okay, go ahead and generate that. As soon as you generate that, you'll go ahead and download it right here. Now we're going to go ahead and log into HeyGen. So now what we'll go ahead and do, it's going to ask you a couple of questions. You can say it's for work or for personal. You can describe your role. How did you hear about us? YouTube. So here what you would do is go ahead and click this little plus button, and you would go ahead and upload that voice right here. You're going to go ahead and take the downloadable file and insert it, and then you'll click generate. So now, as you can see, it has the topic, the audience, the music theme, the video length, video orientation, script plan, target audience, avatar. You can go ahead and adjust if you need to. If it looks good, we'll go ahead and click yes. And then as soon as it is done loading, you will have a video completely done. So of course you can make small adjustments to the video, adjust the background, adjust the avatar's position, or even just add simple on-screen text if you need it. And the last step is to just export the video. Once you're happy with the preview, export the video. HeyGen will process the video and generate a downloadable file. Depending on your plan and video length, this may take a few minutes, but when the export is finished, all you have to do is download the video and save it, and you now have a complete AI avatar video created without even filming yourself. Now I want to talk about how to improve realism in AI avatar videos. So one of the biggest factors in realism is script quality. Short sentences and natural phrasing really make such a massive difference. Avoid stiff or overly formal language. Another factor is voice choice. Not every voice works for every avatar. If something feels off, try a different voice style in ElevenLabs. Pacing also matters as well. So slower delivery often sounds more human, especially for educational content. Small adjustments adjustments really do add up here. Let's touch on some common mistakes to avoid. So one common mistake is trying to make the video too long. AI avatar videos work best when they're concise. Another mistake is ignoring audio quality. If the voice sounds unnatural, the whole video is going to feel artificial. Many beginners also skip previews, but always make sure you're watching the full video before exporting. These small habits are going to save you so much time later on. Now let's talk about the plans and pricing options of each HeyGen and ElevenLabs, so you can decide if this is a good workflow for your business. We're going to go ahead and start off with ElevenLabs. We do have an exclusive link down below, but as you can see, they've got a bunch of different plans here. So they do have a free plan, which is of course free, but you can do text to speech, speech to text, music, agents, 3 projects in studio, automated dubbing, and API access. You get 10 credits per month. Then we've got the starter plan here, which is $5 per month. With this, you get everything in the free plan, but you get commercial license, instant voice cloning, 20 projects in the studio, dubbing studio, music commercial use, and 30K credits per month. Then we've got the creator, which is the most popular. And again, if you use our link, you actually can get 50% off for the first month. It's usually $22, but it brings it to $11 per month. You get everything in the starter, but you also get professional voice cloning, additional credits, and a higher audio quality. This one, you get 100K credits per month. And lastly is the pro plan, which is $99 per month. You get everything in the creator plus even higher audio output quality. They do have other businesses at scale. So this is for businesses and teams. They've got the scale, the business, and the enterprise. Enterprise, you do have to contact them. And then the scale is $330 per month. So you get everything in the pro, but you get 3 workspace seats, again, for a team. And then they do have the business plan, which is $1,320 per month. And then you get everything in the scale, but you get 5 workspace seats, 3 professional clone voices, and then low latency, etc. Okay, and you can see all of the credits down here as well. Okay, then we've got HeyGen. So we'll go ahead and go to pricing. Again, they do have a free plan. With this, you get 3 videos per month, 720p export quality, standard video processing, and some other features are 1 custom video avatar, stock video avatars, 30 plus languages, etc. And then the creator plan is $29 per month. And with this, you get everything in the free plan, of course, but you get unlimited videos, 1080p export, and faster video processing. And then you also get, 1 custom video avatar, 700 plus stock videos, brand kit, watermark removal, and more. They also have a business plan, which is $149 per month. And then additional seats are $20 per seat. And then the video generation, you get unlimited videos up to 60 minutes, 4K video export. Again, these are really important things to note, depending if you do 1080 or 4K. And then you get everything in the Creator Plus, but you also get access to add team members, more generative usage, screen recorder, and other things like invites and team management. Then the enterprise, you do have to go ahead and contact them directly. So you can just go ahead and contact sales if that's what you need to do. Now, I wanted to touch on some pros and cons so you can truly decide if this is a good fit for you. Starting off with the pros. This workflow lets you create videos without filming yourself. The voice quality from ElevenLabs sounds natural and flexible. HeyGen makes avatar videos easy to build and edit, and you can reuse the sample voice and avatar across multiple videos. Now for the cons. So AI avatars still have limits and may not replace real video for every use case. Free plans have usage caps per usual, and script quality matters more than people expect. Now some bonus tips for making better AI avatar videos before we wrap up. So number 1 is write scripts the way people actually speak. AI voices sound more natural when the script is conversational. Short sentences, simple words, and natural pauses make a really massive difference. If something sounds awkward when you read it out loud, then it's definitely going to sound even more awkward when an AI reads it. Number 2 is use punctuation to control pacing. Commas and line breaks are going to help guide how the AI voice delivers the script. A short pause can make the voice feel calmer and a lot more human. This is just a really simple and easy way to improve realism without changing the tool. Number 3 is to match the voice style to the avatar. So not every voice works with every avatar. If the avatar looks calm and professional, choose a voice that feels steady and relaxed. If something feels off, try a different voice before assuming the tool is the problem. Number 4 is keeping videos shorter when starting out. AI avatar videos work best when they're concise. Short videos are just going to feel more natural and easier to polish. Once you're comfortable, you can go ahead and experiment with some longer formats. Number 5 is to always preview the full video before exporting. Always watch the entire video from start to finish. Small timing issues or strange pronunciations are easier to fix before exporting than after the video is published. Number 6 is to regenerate the voice instead of forcing a bad take. If a sentence sounds off, don't try to work around around it, just adjust the text slightly and then regenerate the audio in ElevenLabs. Small wording changes often fix pronunciation or tone issues really quickly. Number 7 is to focus on clarity, not perfection. So the goal is to communicate clearly, not to make a flawless video. Simple, understandable content will always perform better than overpolished videos that feel stiff. Now, should you use HeyGen and ElevenLabs together? If you want to create videos quickly without being on camera, this workflow is going to make a ton of sense for you. It works especially well for tutorials, explainers, internal trainings, and faceless content. You don't need to be technical to use these tools, you just need a clear script and a little patience while you experiment. If you want to check out either HeyGen or ElevenLabs or both, we do have exclusive links down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. Creating videos doesn't have to mean setting up cameras, lighting, or recording your voice over and over again. AI tools like HeyGen and ElevenLabs make it possible to focus on the message instead of the setup. Start simple, test one short video, get comfortable with the process. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you learn and use AI tools in a simple, practical way. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.